Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, my grandmas. Hey, and if you're new or you're just curious about the Glamour family and want to join Glamour World, hit that subscribe button. Watch this video. At the end of the video, if you like it, hit that like button. Also, hit that bell to notify you when I do upload videos. This is a brand I never seen before. I'm not sure if anyone else have done tutorials on this makeup brand. I didn't look, but when I saw it, I was like, wow. And I got it from the Dollar General. I'm pretty sure you say, okay, Dollar General sells Broadway, of course, which I did a tutorial on. This product, I actually was out of the Chicagoland area. So basically I was down there getting my son in Macomb, Illinois, and I ran across this makeup. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this makeup, keep watching the video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. So today I did a makeup haul on a previous video, and basically I'm gonna use some of the products. Believe Beauty, the primer. This is the pretty primer. Got a lot of color to it. The beige color is not white, and it don't feel like a silicone. It feels like a lotion on my fingers. I'm gonna take the Brighten Up Color Corrector Concealer, medium deep one. It's for dark circles. I'm going to take my BBs. This is the 195 brush. This is how it looks. Medium, dark looks.
Can you feel me?
You see the difference? Maybe a slight difference, yeah. Now, looking at the receipt, everything is $5 and below. So, I'm going to start with foundation. I have this in Hazelnut. I didn't get a beauty blender with this, but I did get a brush, the foundation brush. This is the foundation brush. It's a nice looking brush. It's a nice, oh yeah, it's a nice look. Now this says Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. So I did a pump and a half. Okay, so that blend kind of good. I'm going with the concealer. This is in the color beige.
You to scream, can you feel me? Baby, call me.
Take my Real Technique blending ball and blend out this concealer.
Hello, what's my name?
Okay. Then I'm going to the translucent setting powder. So now I'm going to take this blending eyeshadow brush. So for our color, start off with this vintage color. It's really pretty. Okay. Oh, this brush is a good brush. Look at that. How it gets inside the crease. I'm gonna open up the eyeshadow palette here. I'm gonna take that same brush. Now I'm gonna take this dark chocolate color here and add that to my crease. And I don't know if you guys didn't notice, I didn't use my NYX base for this. This colors are going on very pigment. It's really nice for either a $4 or $5 palette. Like everything is, like I said, $5 and below on the receipt. Now I'm gonna go into this Innocent. Going on So Pigment. I'm gonna be careful. I'm just gonna pack into my inner V. So now I'm going to go back into the palette. So I'm going to take this color right here and put this in the corner. I'm going to take that Iconic and smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take that Girl Talk and put it on top of that. Go back in the palette. And I'm gonna take this little cream color here and blend everything together. And I'm still getting that vibe, that Maybelline CoverGirl Revlon type feeling from this product. And this is an Enchanted, and it is a long-lasting eyeliner. So let's open it up. And let's put that in our waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and brush off this powder using the setting brush by Real Technique. So now it's time to use this mascara, high definition skinny mascara. This is how it looks. Wow, that's skinny. Don't you know that you're driving me? Not bad for Dollar General. Look at them eyelashes. Not bad at all. I like this mascara. I was like, I'm gonna put this in my favorites. I have a drawer for just my favorite makeup, and this might get there. Okay, I love this mascara. Okay, so let's go into contour. This is the contour. This is how it's looking. It looks a little light, but we're gonna keep on going. What's my name? Ooh, baby, tell me what you want. Tell me what you like. My Real Technique contouring brush and bring the contour out. I can tell those pain is a dripping wet, babe. I get down, I get down, I get down. I see you over there. Don't be afraid. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Real Technique blush brush and go into this Fancy Plum. Born to Blush. And this is how pretty it is with the gold crystals. Dip right up in there. Oh, it's pigment. It is a lot. Baby, call me dad as I'm freaking your body. So now I'm going here with this Believe It, this contour. I'm gonna set with here, and I'm gonna use that highlight. I'm gonna take my contouring brush and just set. Wait a minute, is color coming? That's all it is. Oh, look how light it looked though. I'm trying not to drop it. I'm taking this clean brush just to blend in everything. Are the harsh lines. This is the Jeffree Star foundation brush. I found a use for it. I don't like it as far as foundation, liquid or powder, but when I put my makeup on, I want everything seamless. I'll go for this brush. Really nice. So let's go to lips. Now, wait a minute, this might be an eyeliner. This is a eyeliner, and this is how it looks. The color is Midnight in Paris. I don't care too much for the liner. It's real stiff, and it skips. So I did line it up. I didn't do no wing or anything fancy, but it's on there. So let's go for some lips. So for lips, I have two. I have a Queen Mauve, and this is also Hint of Plum. So I want to start with the Queen Mauve because it looks darker, and line my lips with that. Can you feel me? Baby, call me dad as I'm I know y'all see this bump. I'm not touching it. I don't normally get any bumps, so it's probably, like I said, hormonal or chocolate or whatever pop. I've been bad this week, so I'm not touching it. And that was the Queen Ma. So now let's go. And this is the Head of Plum.
Episode and it's starring you and me.
And I have these 3 beautiful glosses. And I think I want to use, I don't know, all of them. Okay, right now I'm gonna open up Mischief. So I see it's the same color of the lip liner I just used, the Hint Plum. Okay? They don't feel cheap at all. They're gonna go in the middle with the, I don't know how to say this name, Ethera? Okay, what name that is? Etheria? Etheria, I was close. So I'm gonna put Etheria in the middle of my lips. Really good gloss. Don't feel cheap at all. And Tropical Punch, I'm gonna put everywhere. Why not? Now I'm gonna go back into this palette and go for that highlighting color right there. Take my, of course, Milani brush and go into that little gold. You guys see it? Oh, that's pretty. This is not Dollar General. What is this? They need to stop playing. So you guys, this is the finished makeup look. I'll come back and let you know what I think about the makeup with my hair and everything done. Hi you guys, so this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely enjoyed putting this makeup on. This is really nice. This is a Maybelline CoverGirl type makeup. So walking through, mascara, love it. Eyeshadow, love it. I did not use the setting spray. Here it is right here. Oh, and it's a mist. It's not, shoot. Oh, it smells good. Would I say go get this makeup? Yes. Especially to start off. It's affordable. Should be your first starter kit of makeup. This is beautiful from the eyeshadow to the I didn't even put the lashes on. I don't want to mess up the mascara. I'm going to do another tutorial on this. I still have more of Believed Beauty. So we still got some more eyeshadows that we can run through and different looks with the eyeshadows. So promise you guys I will do the eyelashes next time. But look at my lashes. Look at my natural bottom and top lashes. For this to be a cheap Dollar General brand, the color, everything was fine. I mean, the contour, I didn't think this was gonna give me this much color, but you just never know. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so I can notify you when I do upload. So until we see each other again, no grandma, grandma.